Good morning, students. This is English Reader for Class 1. Lesson 2. How many? Students, here are two conversations based on how many. So this is the first conversation. Reena is a girl and Amit is a boy. So Reena is asking, what is this? Amit is answering, it is a box. There are two sweets in the box. So both of them doing the conversation and asking. The next conversation, what is this? It is a tree. So in the first image you can see the tree. I see one monkey. So the boy can see one monkey. I see 3 apples. So the girl is saying I can see 3 apples. Now the boy is saying there are 3 birds on the tree. And the girl is saying now there is one, because she clapped loudly and because of the sound that 2 birds flew away. Now on the basis of the chapter how many, we have some question answers. First question, how many sweets are there in the box? So as you can see in that picture and you can answer it, there are 2 sweets in the box. How many birds are there on the tree? There are 3 birds on the tree. How many monkeys you can see? I can see 1 monkey. Why do birds fly? Birds flew away because Anita clapped loudly. How many apples are there on the tree? There are 3 apples on the tree. True or false? There are 2 sweets in the box. True. There are many monkeys on the tree. False. There is 1 bird left on the tree. True. Raja saw 3 birds on the tree. True. Anita saw 2 apples. False. Use of am is are. The first am that we use for ourselves, I. Next is for one thing, that is singular. Are for many things. The number is more than 1, that is plural. Fill in the blanks with am is are. I dash a pilot. So here we are talking for ourselves. So we will use am. These books dash heavy. So books, they are many. So we will use here are. The tree is tall. Only 1 tree is there. That is why we have used is. This is my dog. Dog is 1. The flowers are red. So the flowers are so many, more than 1, and that is why we have used are. Fill in the blank. There are dash sweets in the box. 2. I see one dash monkey. Anita saw 3 apples. There are dash birds on the tree. 3. Dash claps loudly and 2 dash fly away. Anita claps loudly and 2 birds fly away. So just go through the slides, copy down the exercises, learn it. Thank you.